Good morning. Let's look at the weather setup for Charleville, the 24th of November, 2025. This analysis was conducted at 13:32 Australian Eastern Standard Time. We've got surface temperatures currently at 42 degrees, heading to a top of 42. If you find this analysis helpful, please like and subscribe to support continued severe weather analysis. Starting this morning, we can see how the atmosphere is set up. The atmosphere is relatively calm, with only 399 joules per kilogram of available energy. Moisture levels are solid at 31 millimeters, feeding into potential storms. Winds are shifting with height at about 13.6 meters per second, which will organize any storms that develop. Cloud bases will sit higher, near 3,313 meters, giving us a sense of where the action will start. Through the afternoon, conditions will stay relatively unchanged, with energy holding near 2031 joules per kilogram. Looking at surface-based CAPE specifically here, which shows 2031 joules per kilogram, notably higher than the mixed layer value due to strong surface heating. The atmosphere is uncapped today, meaning storms can develop freely once heating triggers convection. Expect peak instability between 2 and 4 in the afternoon. That's prime time for any storm development. Looking at tomorrow's late morning forecast from the GraphCast model, that's midnight UTC, around 10 or 11 a.m. local time. This shows how the atmosphere will be set up heading into the afternoon heating period. Notice the temperature and dew point profiles. This baseline structure tells us what ingredients will be available as the day progresses and the sun does its work. Now here's the afternoon forecast. 6 a.m. UTC is mid to late afternoon local time, around 4 or 5 p.m. This is peak heating time, maximum instability. The model shows how solar heating has reshaped the boundary layer, surface warming, mixed layer deepening, and whether that cap has weakened enough. This snapshot captures the window when storms are most likely to fire. This multi-parameter evolution shows an interesting trend. Notice how CAPE, Shear, and helicity peak today at 2031 joules per kilogram, then decline tomorrow. The machine learning models from GraphCast and Pangu both show this pattern shift, suggesting today might be your best chance for storm development. If storms can develop today, the main concern would be the potential for hail up to 3 centimeters. If storms develop, they'll likely be more scattered and disorganized. The hodograph shows relatively straight wind profiles without much turning. This suggests multicellular storms rather than supercells if anything develops. Remember, these are the ingredients, not the forecast. Always check the Bureau for official warnings. This atmospheric refractivity profile shows how radio waves bend through different layers of the atmosphere. It's critical for VHF and UHF propagation forecasting. When you see sharp gradients in the end profile, that's where radio ducting occurs, allowing signals to travel hundreds of kilometers beyond normal line of sight. These same stable layers also tell us where the atmosphere resists vertical motion, which matters for storm development, but the primary application here is understanding long-distance radio propagation conditions. Remember, this is just an analysis. Always check the Bureau of Meteorology for official warnings before making any decisions. This analysis is provided by Distant Curve Remote Area Telecommunications. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to support continued severe weather coverage for remote Australia. Stay safe and stay weather aware out there.